highly anticipated Squid Game Season 2 will be released on December 26. Netflix, the US-based streaming platform, today treated its viewers to the good news of releasing the highly anticipated second season of everyone's favorite TV show, Squid Game. However, this great news was followed by some bad news that left the audience unhappy, as the streaming giant revealed that a final season might be coming next year. This means the broadcaster is about to end its most popular ever show after its third season release in 2025. Some fans reacted to this news saying, "Final season, what do I all mean? This show is too damn good for it to end on season 3. Squid Game, created by Hwang Dong-hyuk, features a group of hard-up contestants who are trapped in a sinister game that pits them against one another as they fight to the death for a huge money prize. It is the most watched TV series in Netflix history, surpassing Stranger Things and Wednesday, and was ranked as No. 1 in 94 countries, including the UK, when it was released. Moreover, Netflix released a minute-long trailer for the second season today that showcases athletes competing on an Olympic-style running track before they are replaced by competitors in the show's famous green tracksuits. The official description of the upcoming season explains 3 years after winning Squid Game, player 456 remains determined to find the people behind the game and put an end to their vicious sport. This long-awaited second season is set for release on 26 December, as confirmed by Hwang Dong-hyuk, Squid Game's writer, director, and executive producer.